Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving work and closing programs so nothing corrupts. This prevents lost files. Next, sign out of managed accounts and Cloud Sync to stop background sync. That avoids permission errors. If your school requires notification, tell the admin now because policies matter. Once done, eject external drives and note the Wi-Fi SSID and any device names. This makes reconnection easier. Do not yank cables. Proceed deliberately to the next steps. You should now disable network connections from within the operating system so processes stop gracefully, which prevents partial writes. Then, safely power down or eject peripherals, printers, webcams, external hard drives, because sudden removal can damage hardware or files. Make sure to turn off VPNs and remove any managed device profiles if allowed. Those can automatically reapply policies. Once the OS indicates it's safe, unplug Ethernet or remove the Wi-Fi adapter to fully disconnect from the school network. You finish by performing a full shutdown from the system menu. Waiting for fans to stop ensures hardware is idle. After power off, unplug the power adapter, then remove peripheral cables in a consistent order to avoid strain. If the system refuses to shut down, reboot into safe mode and try disabling problematic apps, because that isolates conflicts. If problems persist, contact IT and provide model, OS version, and any error messages. This speeds their diagnosis and avoids policy breaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.